Boost your plant cloning success naturally. Today, we explore 8 effective natural rooting hormones. Let's get started. First up, saliva. Surprisingly, your own saliva can prevent rot and stimulate roots. Just dip your cuttings before planting. Apple cider vinegar is next. Add just 5 drops to half a cup of water to stimulate growth, but remember, less is more. Cinnamon powder, an excellent antibacterial, can double your cloning success. Dip your cuttings in it before soil insertion. Willow bark extract, rich in growth stimulants, can be made by soaking willow cuttings in warm water. Honey, a natural antiseptic, strengthens cuttings. Mix with boiled water, cool it, and it's ready for use. Aloe vera gel, directly from the plant, is perfect for coating your cuttings. And don't overlook aspirin. Dissolve a tablet in water for a quick and cheap rooting solution. Experiment with combinations like willow tea and honey, or cinnamon and honey, to find what works best for you. Try these natural alternatives to chemical rooting hormones and watch your garden thrive.